Now, this is how you can get the App Store back on your iPad. Let me show you how you can do this. If you are first time in here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Anyways, it depends on how gone it actually is. Because if you just deleted the icon, the App Store from the home screen, you can swipe all the way to the right and find the app library. And if you find it in here, you can even use the search field, which sorts the apps alphabetically. You can drag the App Store back to the main page and you will always have the access to it. So that is one way to do it. But if you don't see it at all, well, obviously it's impossible to delete it. Like when you hold it down on it, you just can't uninstall the App Store, but you can sort of like remove it from the iPad. This is done through the settings and restrictions, which can be found in the screen time section. And so on the left, you scroll there and go to the content and privacy restrictions. And if you have that enabled, you can see we have things like the App Store purchases and iTunes, and you literally have the ability to stop the App Store from being functional, right? So you turn off installing apps and all of the other things perhaps in here, which will literally make the App Store disappear. So in order to bring it back and add it back to the iPad, just turn off these restrictions and it should reappear on your device. So I really hope it could help you. Thanks a lot for watching. If there is anything that I need to know, let me know in the comments, like perhaps some videos that you would like to see in the future. But for now, that's it, and I'll see you later.